The State Department has made a determination approving a possible foreign military sale to the government of the Philippines of 6 AH-1Z attack helicopters and related equipment for an estimated cost of $450 million. The Defense Security Cooperation Agency delivered the required certification notifying Congress of this possible sale. This proposed sale will support the foreign policy and national security of the United States by helping to improve the security of a friendly country that continues to be an important force for political stability, peace, and economic progress in Southeast Asia. The Philippines is considering either the AH-1Z or the AH-64E to modernize its attack helicopter capabilities. The proposed sale will assist the Philippines in developing and maintaining strong self-defense, counter-terrorism, and critical infrastructure protection capabilities. The Philippines will have no difficulty absorbing this equipment and support into its armed forces. The principal contractors will be Bell Helicopter, Textron, Fort Worth, Texas, and General Electric Company, Lynn, Massachusetts. Offsets may be a requirement of doing business in the Philippines. However, offsets are negotiated directly between the original equipment manufacturers or other vendors and the government of the Philippines, and further details are not known at this time.